What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, your favorite spot for discovering the smartest tech that actually makes your life easier. Now picture this. You come home after a long day, your floors are spotless, the air feels fresh, and you didn't lift a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're diving into a gadget that turns that dream into your daily reality. Meet the Tapo RV30 Max Plus, a robot vacuum that doesn't just clean, it thinks for you. And the best part, it brings flagship features without the flagship price tag. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below. So be sure to scroll down and check it out. And hey, before we jump in, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on smart tech reviews, and drop a comment below if you trust a robot to handle your housework. Let's get into it. So, if vacuuming feels like a chore, mopping is your mortal enemy, or you just want your place to look guest-ready 24/7 with zero effort, yeah, you'll want to stick around for this one. First thing you notice is how sleek this setup is. The robot is compact, matte black, and super minimal, but the real eye-catcher is the self-emptying dock. It's clean, modern, and doesn't look like some clunky appliance taking up space in your home. This thing is designed to disappear into the background while doing all the dirty work for you. Under the hood, the RV30 Max Plus brings serious firepower. You're getting 5,300 pascals of suction, which is no joke. That kind of power means it can pull pet hair from deep in your carpets, suck up dust and debris from tight corners, and make light work of high traffic areas like entryways and kitchens. No double passes, no missed crumbs. But it's not just muscle. This robot has brains too. With advanced LiDAR navigation, it scans your home in real time and builds accurate room maps. It doesn't bounce around randomly like older bots. It moves with purpose, cleaning in neat, efficient rows and adapting on the fly to your space. And if you're into custom setups, you can name rooms, draw virtual no-go zones, target specific areas for cleaning, and set schedules, all from the Tapo app. Whether you want the living room vacuumed every morning or the kitchen mopped after dinner, this bot's got you covered. Speaking of mopping, yes, it does that too. This isn't just a vacuum. It's a two-in-one machine that mops your floors with an electronic water tank, giving you clean, streak-free results on hard floors without soaking them. The water flow is adjustable, so you can go from light damp for wood to a heavier mop for tile or vinyl. It's the perfect setup if you want that just cleaned shine every day without dragging out a mop and bucket. Now, let's talk about the feature that makes this thing a real game changer, the self-emptying dock. After every cleaning run, the robot goes back to the dock and automatically empties its dustbin into a sealed bag. That bag holds up to 70 days of dirt. That's right, over 2 months without having to lift a finger. No mess, no dust clouds, no nasty surprises. Just throw out the bag when it's full and pop in a new one. You also get full smart home support. This robot plays nice with Alexa and Google Assistant, so if you're chilling on the couch or running late for work, just say, "Alexa, start vacuuming," and boom, your floors are getting cleaned while you handle life. That's the kind of hands-free magic we love around here. The Tapo app is rock solid too. It gives you real-time tracking of where the robot is, lets you change suction levels, mop settings, schedules, and even updates the firmware wirelessly. You don't have to dig through menus or guess what it's doing. Everything is clean, clear, and easy to control. And don't worry about it running out of juice mid-clean. If the battery starts getting low, it returns to the dock, recharges, and then picks up exactly where it left off. That means no missed spots, no half-finished jobs, just consistent edge-to-edge cleaning. Now, if you're wondering whether this fits your space, it totally does. Whether you've got hardwood floors, carpeted rooms, area rugs, or a mix of everything, the RV30 Max Plus adapts. It automatically adjusts suction for different surfaces and uses side brushes to clean all the way up to the baseboards. It even fits under most furniture, so you're getting those hard-to-reach dust bunnies without even thinking about it. For people with pets, this thing is a dream. It eats up fur, dander, and stray litter like a pro, and since it self-empties into a sealed bag, you're not releasing allergens back into the air every time you clean. The washable HEPA filter adds another layer of protection, especially for allergy sufferers. Battery life is strong too. It runs long enough to clean multiple rooms or even your whole home, depending on size. And again, the recharge and resume system means you never have to micromanage it. Just set it, forget it, and enjoy the clean floors. Bottom line, the Tapo RV30 Max Plus is one of the best all-in-one robot vacuum and mop combos out there, especially in its price range. It's got top-tier suction, smart navigation, a customizable cleaning experience, and that glorious self-emptying dock that makes daily floor care truly hands-free. If you've been waiting for the right mix of power, smarts, and value, this is it. it. It's perfect for busy homes, pet owners, apartment dwellers, or anyone who's done wasting time on vacuuming and mopping. So what do you think? Would you trust a robot like the Tapo RV30 Max Plus to handle your cleaning routine? Or are you still hanging on to your old vacuum? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the breakdown, subscribe for more smart tech reviews, and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. This is Top 5 Trey, signing off. Until next time, stay smart and stay spotless. Peace out.